If you're frustrated with Spotify ads, we've got the solution for you. Watch the complete video to discover how to stop ads on Spotify. To stop Spotify ads, download the Blockada application. Find the complete guide on Blockada on our website. Ensure you download the Blockada version mentioned in the post. Don't download Play Store version, it's paid. After downloading, open the application. Tap on the circle to activate it. Go to the Advanced tab and click on the Block Lists tab. Activate all the ad blockers, but make sure to enable Goodbye Ads. After activation, click on the Goodbye Ads icon and tap on Spotify to enable it. You can enable all the lists that I have activated. Now, go back and clear the cache of the Spotify application. Open the Spotify app and enjoy ad-free songs on Spotify. If you find this trick helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more useful tips.